So hey everyone, welcome back to another interesting tutorial. Well, I'm going to show you how you can adjust the default duration of transitions in Adobe Premiere Pro software. So all you have to do is to simply open the Premiere Pro software in your PC. While you open the Premiere Pro software and create a basic project that you are using for video editing purposes, all you have to do is to simply go to the option of edit at the top left window. You can see it's just right there. All you have to do is to simply click on this and you will see an option of preferences at the most below of the list. Just simply click on the preferences and then you will see an option of timeline over there at the second last number of the list. Just simply click on this and then a timeline window will open right in front of you, where on the first option you will see in a video transition default duration. Currently it is set to 30 frames, which means by default a transition will last for 30 frames in my video editing timeline. You can simply adjust this number of frames, or you can simply set it to the seconds and adjust the number of seconds of which you want to add the transition by defaultly in your timeline. So that's a really interesting and quick tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.